In this video, we're going to look at the intersection of two lines, meaning where the two lines cross. So if you're given this line here, if you try to sketch this, it will probably look something like this. Okay, let's say it looks like this. And if you try to sketch this line here, it will look something like, maybe something like this. And it's possible to find out the exact location at which the two lines cross. Okay, right here. Well, anyway, to do this, let's try and do it, and then you see how it's done. So first sketch this line here. So that your eyes will zoom into the intercept. The intercept is 1. So you know it crosses here, and it has a steepness or a gradient of 2. It has a steepness of 2. So it means, well, 2 up, 1 across. So it's going to be here, or 1 across, 2 up. 1 across, 2 up. And then 2 down, 1 across. 2 down, 1 across, because it has a steepness of 2. Okay, 2 down, 1 across. 2 down, 1 across. So this line here would look like this. Okay, so our first line, this is our first line. Okay, our second line, well, your eyes should zoom into this now. It has an intercept of 7, so it crosses here, and it has a steepness of -3, so it's going downhill. So it means 3 down, 1 across. 3 down, 1 across. 3 down, 1 across. Hang on, let me keep on extending this. 3 down, 1 across. 3 down, 1 across. So we were to draw this straight line here. So this line here is this line here. Okay, and look at this here. This point here, it's possible to work out exactly where this point is. So let me just zoom in here. You see this point here. Hang on. You see, the point at which they cross is right here. It's right here. Okay, it's just above 3, and if you look at the x coordinates, it's just above. Well, one is here. Okay, one is this line here. Okay, and look at this point here. The point here is just over 1. But it's possible to find out exactly where this point is, right here. Okay, let me just zoom out. Okay, well, let's try and find out exactly where the two lines cross. So look at this here. Hang on. You see this line here. This line here is this line. Okay, and this line here is this line here. Now, the point at which they cross, this bit's strange. Hang on, let me just tidy this up. Hang on, bear with me on this. So we've got a line looking like this, looking like this. Hang on. So let me just quickly redraw this, and this line here is 7, and then 3, 3. So it looks something like this. Okay. Now we want to know exactly where the two lines cross. Now let's just look at the point exactly where they cross. At the point at which the two lines cross, the y coordinates will be exactly the same. So let me just show you this here. Because we are looking at exactly at the point at which we are looking at a point at which the two lines cross. So if you look at this here, the y value for both lines will be exactly the same. It's 3 point something. Okay. So if you look at the purple line, well, the y value at the point at which the two lines cross, the purple line will be, let's say something. Okay. Let's call the point at which they cross will be something here. Okay. Let's just say something. Now the y value, looking at the point at which the two lines cross, the y value of the black line will be that same something, whatever that something is, a 3 point something. My point is that at the point at which the two lines cross, the y value for the purple line will be the same as the y value for the black line, because look at this, it's right here. So the black line the y coordinate, the up and down of the black line here will be the same as the up and down of the purple line. So meaning that the y value for the purple line is the same as the y value of the black line. Okay, let me just zoom out here. Okay, so the y value purple line and the black line will be the same at the point at which the two lines crossed. Okay, and the same will be true for the x value. The x value of the x value at the point at which the two lines cross will be exactly the same. It will be the x value of the purple line will be the same as the x value at the black line. Well, the x and y values will be the same at the point at which the two lines cross. So look at this here. This is the equation of our first line. This is the equation of our second line. Now, at the point at which the two lines cross, we are talking about at the point at which the two lines cross. We can say that this is the same as this. Okay, so you can actually write this down here. Hang on. So looking at the point at which the two lines cross, we could do this. 2x plus 1, okay, equals minus 3x plus 7. We could do this to find out, well, at the point at which the two lines cross, we could write this down, this equation down. Because if you look at this line here, the up and down value of this line here will be the same as the up and down value of this line here. So my point is that you can say that this equals this. So anyway, so now because at the point at which the two lines cross, we can say that this equals this. Okay. So now it's just a matter of solving the two, solving for x. Now, hang on. Just watch it through. If you don't understand this, just carry on watching. Okay. So now you want to solve x. So here you've got x on this side, x on this side. So add 3x to both sides. Okay. So well, I've shown you this before a long time ago. If you have 2 bags over here and a minus 3 bags over here, it's better to add 3 bags to both sides. Doesn't matter if you don't understand this bit. It's in one of the earlier videos. Well, anyway, to solve this here, add 3x to both sides. So this will be 5x plus 1, and then on this side it would just be 7. Okay, and now somehow solve x. So minus 1 from both sides. So this will be 6. This will be 5x. So x equals 6 over 5. So it's 1 point something. Okay. So my point here is that at the point at which the two cross, look at this. The x value here will be the x value will be 6 over 5. Okay. So x will be 6 over 5 at the point at which they cross. Now, if you want to know the y value of the two at the point at which the two lines cross, then you can choose. You can now that you know x, you can put x into here, or you can put x into here, and then you got yourself the y value here. Well, once you've worked out x, you can actually put it back into the original equation here. So whether so we could say at x equals 6 over 5, meaning at this, well, when x is here, if you go up here, well, the y value will be given by this. Okay, so let's try and work it out. So at x equals 6 over 5, y will be y equals 2 times 6 over 5 plus 1. Okay, because I'm just putting this into here. Okay, so now this 2 here timesing a fraction, so it gets multiplied to the top. So it will be 12 over 5 plus 1. Okay, and now turn the 1 into a fraction. So I'm going to visualize the 1 as 5 over 5, because 5 divided by 5 is 1. It's just written differently. Exactly the same thing, but just written differently. So what I'm trying to say is that this is the same as this, but just written differently. So now the two denominators are the same here. The two denominators are the same. We can merge. So this will be 17 over 5. So the y value here, the y value at the point of intersection will be will be 17 over 5. Look at this, 17 over 5. So you can leave it at 17 over 5, or you can jump to a calculator. Hang on. 17 over 5. So if you get 17 divided by 5, it will be 3.4. So the point at which the two lines cross, it will be 3.4. Okay, it's a bit messy. So if you hang on here at the point at which well anyway at the point at which the two lines cross, don't worry about these two lines here. At the point at which these two lines cross, it will be the y value will be 3.4 and the x will be 6 over 5. Okay. Just watch the next video, and then it will make sense later on. Okay.